Answer the questions of the general knowledge.
Wettest place in the world.
Liar of Colombia.
Largest sea.
Philippines Sea, Philippines.
Largest lake.
Caspian Sea.
Small.
Russia, Iran, Turkmenistan, Azerbaijan.
Smallest lake.
Bengzi Lake.
Deepest lake.
Lake Baikal, Russia.
Smallest lake. Shallowest lake.
Sea of Azov.
Tallest lake.
Lake Titicaca.
Country most populated.
China.
Least populated country.
Vatican City.
Country of no snakes.
England and New Zealand.
Most forest area country.
Russia.
Country called as land of thousand lakes.
Finland.
Sunniest place.
Yuma, Arizona.
Busiest port.
Shanghai.
Fastest train.
French TGV.
Longest railway line.
Trans-Siberian Railway, Moscow to Vladivostok Station.
Tallest petrol pump.
Lotus Zanpo Lake.
Tallest building.
Burj Khalifa, Dubai.
Largest gold mine.
South Deep Gold Mine, Transvaal, South Africa.
Largest airport.
King Fahd International Airport.
Busiest airport.
Shanghai Pudong International Airport.
Richest country.
Qatar.
Poorest country.
Niger.
Fruit most nutritive.
Grapes.
Fruit largest.
Atlantic Giant Pumpkin.
Tallest mountain.
Everest.
Largest state in the world.
Alaska.
State most populated.
California.
Least populated state.
Wyoming.
Country with the most road network.
US.
With the most railway network country.
US.
Largest city in the world.
Tokyo.
Country with the most islands.
Sweden.
Oldest country in the world by independence.
US. 1774.
India's 50% of salt available at where?
Run of Kutch.
Third largest salt producer in the world.
India.
World largest salt producer.
US.
World largest oil producer.
US.
Only diamond producing state in India.
Madhya Pradesh.
Largest diamond producing country in the world.
Russia.
Largest gold mine in India.
Sonbhadra.
Largest copper producing country in the world.
Chile.
Largest copper producing state in India.
Madhya Pradesh.
Fastest car in the world.
Bugatti Chiron Super 300.
Largest vehicle in the world.
Bagger 288.
Largest railway station in the world.
Grand Central Terminal, New York.
Longest tunnel in the world.
Lyodal, Norway.
Widest river in the world.
Amazon.
Largest desert in the world.
Sahara Desert.
Largest ship.
Symphony of the Seas.
Smallest ship.
Scorpius 2.
Largest bank in the world by assets.
Industrial and Commercial Bank of China.
Smallest bank in the world.
Simbank, Singapore.
Oldest river.
Finke, Australia.
Largest stadium.
Rungreda Mede Stadium.
Largest cricket stadium in the world.
Motera Stadium, India.
Largest lake in India.
Vembanand Lake, Kerala.
Tallest peak in India.
Kanchenjunga.
Longest river in Tamil Nadu.
Kaveri.
Largest reef.
Great Barrier Reef, Australia.
How many states in Brazil?
26.
How many states in China?
23.
World largest republic.
India.
Country have 50 states.
US.
World smallest republic.
Nauru.
Country have maximum time zones.
France.
Country with longest coastline.
Canada.
Country have most lakes.
Canada.
Country with most death rate in Asia.
Japan.
Country has longest border.
Canada plus US.
Hottest place in the earth.
Al Jazeera, Libya.
Least corrupted country.
Denmark.
Largest wind power producer.
China.
Largest steel producer.
China.
Largest motor vehicle producer.
China.
Country with most percentage of forest area.
Suriname.
Largest wine producer.
Italy.
Largest beer producing country.
China.
Country having most international boundary.
Russia. 15.
Country with the most desert area.
Saudi Arabia.
Countries that touches equator.
Ecuador. Colombia. Brazil. Sao Tome and Principe, Gabon, Republic of the Congo, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Uganda, Kenya, Somalia, Maldives, Indonesia, Kiribati,
Very good. Lowest density country in the world.
Mongolia,
Highest density country in the world.
Macau,
Deepest river.
Congo, Zaire, Africa,
Most populated country in Africa.
Nigeria,
Least populated country in Africa.
Sao Tome and Principe,
Most populated country in Europe.
Russia,
Least populated country in Europe.
Vatican City,
Country with most doctors.
Norway,
Country with least trees.
Nauru,
Country with most water source.
Brazil,
Coolest city in the world.
Yakuts,
Country now also having king.
Eswatini,
Greenest country in the world.
Sweden,
World tallest bridge.
Tamila Viaduct,
Country found cricket.
Southeast England,
Which country found hockey? Ice hockey.
Canada,
World richest slum.
Dharavi,
Where?
India,
Amazon river source.
Maranon River in Peru,
Largest province of Russia.
Sakha Republic,
Largest province of Australia.
Western Australia,
Fastest man in the world.
Usain Bolt,
National animal of the Thailand.
Thailand,
Ah.
Thai elephant,
National animal of US.
United States,
National animal of Nepal.
cow,
National animal of China.
giant panda,
Smallest country in Oceania.
Nauru,
How many countries in Oceania?
14,
14. 14 or 40?
14,
What type of mountains found in India?
Fold Mountains,
Tallest tree in the world?
Hyperion,
In which countries yak is found?
Tibet, China,
Which is the world largest archipelago? What is archi?
a group of islands, Malay Archipelago,
Which language is spoken by most people?
Mandarin Chinese,
Highest capital city in the world?
La Paz, Bolivia,
World largest canyon?
Grand Canyon, US,
Highest waterfall?
Salto Angel Falls, Venezuela,
Largest ocean?
Pacific Ocean,
Lowest point on earth surface?
Dead Sea, Israel, Jordan,
Tallest mountain in the world? Ocean?
Mauna Kea, 10,110 meter,
Which continent has most countries?
Africa, 54 countries,
Smallest continent in the world?
Australia and Oceania,
Least population continent?
Antarctica,
In which country mud volcanoes are found?
New Zealand,
World's strongest eruption?
Mount Tambora in Indonesia,
World's smallest landlocked country?
Vatican City,
India largest city?
Ahmedabad, 740 kilometers,
In which country white element is found?
Thailand,
Country largest producer of coffee?
Brazil,
Country largest producer of tea?
China,
The country of Singapore is made up of how many islands?
64,
Which river is flowing through Grand Canyon?
Colorado River,
In which year Hong Kong became a part of China?
1997,
Which country is known as land of rising sun?
Japan,
Which mountain is called roof of the world?
Pamir, Tajikistan,
Deepest lake in India?
Manasba Lake,
Largest delta in the world?
Ganges Delta,
World famous delta?
Nile Delta,
San Francisco source?
Atlantic Ocean,
San Francisco mouth?
also Atlantic Ocean,
Amazon river mouth source?
Maranon River,
Amazon river mouth?
Atlantic Ocean,
Where is Andes?
Ecuador, Peru, Colombia, Chile, Argentina, Bolivia,
Which country is Texas?
US,
City's longest and latitude meet? Sorry. Which cities longitude and latitude meet?
Yatsevo, Russia and Chongqing in China,
Which countries have no airport?
Andorra, Liechtenstein, Monaco, San Marino and Vatican City.
Country don't have police.
Norway.
Which river flows maximum country?
Danube.
Country has most rivers.
Russia.
How many?
36.
Which country has no capital?
Nauru.
Which is deepest river in US?
Hudson River.
Deadliest river in US?
Ken River.
River flows backwards. Which river?
Mississippi River. Chicagoan River.
River flows uphill.
Mississippi River.
Which country has best flag?
Albania.
Which country has most unique flag?
Nepal.
Most unique country?
Japan.
Which flag has gun on it?
Mozambique.
Which state flag is best?
New Mexico.
Countries in first in education.
Canada.
Which countries contains 27 stars? Flags.
Brazil.
What is the first language in the world?
Tamil.
Which is the longest country name?
UK, the United Kingdom of the Great Britain and Northern Ireland.
Which animal appears on most flags?
Lion.
Countries have square flags.
Switzerland and Vatican City.
What is the widest town name? Town.
Normal. Illinois.
Which country has most stripes on their flag?
Malaysia 14.
Which country is the best friend for Nepal?
China.
Weirdest city name America.
San Jose.
Who has shortest national anthem?
Japan.
National color of Pakistan.
Dark green.
National color of India.
Saffron.
Country has oldest national anthem.
Anthem of Netherlands.
World oldest amusement park.
Dijsselbakken in Denmark.
How many amusement parks is there?
More than 400.
Which country has most wild bears?
Russia.
In which country bananas first grown?
India.
What is the name of the flows through Paris?
Seine.
What city is known as Venice of North?
Stockholm, Sweden.
Largest lake in Europe.
Lake Ladoga.
Deepest lake in Europe.
Hornindalsvatn, Norway.
Largest lake in Antarctica.
Lake Vostok.
Where is ozone layer hole located?
Antarctica.
Strongest insect in the world.
Dung beetle.
Weirdest element in the world.
Magnetic thinking putty.
Where is Bermuda Triangle located?
Bermuda, Puerto Rico and Florida.
World longest range.
Andes.
Tallest mountain in Andes.
Mount Aconcagua.
How many countries and territories are there in the world?
251.
In which ocean Bermuda Triangle found?
Atlantic Ocean.
Which country has largest army?
Russia.
In which year Soviet Union collapsed?
1991.
Austria-Hungary collapsed date?
1918.
Mongol Empire collapsed on which year?
1368.
Ottoman Empire collapsed which year?
1922.
Oldest empire in the world?
Akkadian Empire.
Longest lasting empire in the world history?
Elimate Empire.
Longest lasting empire in India?
Pandyan Empire, South India.
Longest highway in the world?
Pan American Highway, Alaska to Brasilia.
How many kilometers?
48,000 kilometers.
Lowest sea level country?
Maldives.
Very good. Adis, he has completed around exactly 200 questions he has prepared on his own. 200 questions he has answered. So people who are watching and keep forward and encourage him. Thank you. Thank you, Adish.
Thank you.
Bye.